Yo, what is going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. This method is going to get you 28 cap breakers for free, and I've spent a long time searching for methods on how to get cap breakers, and this is definitely the best way, guys. Like I said, this is going to get you all 28. Not many people even know there are 28, but yeah. And this method takes a few minutes, uses a locker code. So this is an NBA 2K26 locker code that you can redeem, and it's going to get you all cap breakers for free. And it is super fast. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile internet browser just to get this NBA 2K26 locker code. So go to www.crash, make sure you can actually type crashcoupons.com. So let's just type that in, crash coupons, and if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to a awesome codes website. Apologies for the camera not focusing, but basically this website has loads of different codes, and you need to basically use the search bar at the top of the page here and find the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. And on this page, there are 4 verified working codes. So go ahead and scroll down until you find the cap breakers code. NBA 2K26 all cap breakers. So click on get code. And this is going to basically confirm your selection, and then you need to click on show full code. So let's wait for this to allocate you a code. Now I have already done this, so I won't do it again, but you need to unlock your locker code. This basically prevents people stealing the 222 codes that are remaining. So to unlock your code, you've got to tap on that button. Like I said, I have already done it, so I won't do it again. You need to complete a couple of tasks, and once you do that, your code will be revealed. So you can literally grab the code from this box, redeem it in your game, and that, guys, is how to get cap breakers in 2K26. Head on over to Crash Coupons, and then just find the 2K26 locker codes page and select the cap breakers code. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.